Hi, I'm Tim Klink with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center, and the home of Invincible Roof, the RV industry's lifetime warranty solution to permanent roof leaking, deterioration, etc. So you don't have to maintain your roof ever other than washing it. So this is a complete spray-on roof system. This is a Tiffin. You can see from the skylight to the vents to the radius corners, everything is all sprayed in, and it's got our top ceramic coat finish, which is the premier top coat UV protectant on any spray roof-on system in the industry. So look at this beautiful roof here, guys. Check us out on Facebook, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Facebook. Would appreciate that. And anything we can do for you, bumper to bumper, we are MasterTech, America's #1 bumper to bumper service, collision, and renovation center in Elkhart, Indiana.